Hey everyone, my name is Jethro and I believe that everyone can draw. Today, we're going to have a go at drawing some people, but this one's already been drawn on. Much better. Before we get started, you're going to need a pen and a worksheet with lots of brightly coloured spots on it. And you can either paint your own spots or you can download this one for free. There's a link in the description to download. Print it off, I'll wait, and then we can get drawing together. If you got your page and the pen, let's go. When I'm drawing people, I like to start with the eyes. So let's put one eye there and one eye there. Between our eyes, we need a nose. Let's put a nose just there. Now, I like drawing big, happy, smiley mouths. Fortunately, big, happy, smiley mouths are very easy. Put one line there for the top of the smile, and another little curve there for the bottom of the smile. Next up, we're going to need some ears. Now my person is facing this way, so I can only see one ear, and that's this one here. Next up is my favourite bit of drawing a character, and that's drawing the hair. I like doing the hair because you can go a bit wild and crazy. So let's draw some big spiky hair on this person here. Like that, and add some extra spikes just there. Perfect. Now we need a body. Fortunately, bodies are really easy. Just 3 sides of blocks. 1, 2, 3. There's our box. Now we need some legs for our person to stand on, and some little feet. And some arms. My person is going to have his arms up like that, cheering. And then some fingers, and a thumb, and some fingers, and a thumb. Perfect. We're nearly there. Our person just needs some kind of cool pattern on their body. How about some stripes? I like stripes. Perfect. Hey, I think we're done. Now, when you want to get better at something, what's the best thing that you can do? When I want to get better, I practice. I do lots and lots of drawings, over and over and over again. And every time I do one, I get a little bit better. That's why I made this sheet here, full of lots of different spots. I like to try and draw as many different expressions as I can. Like these people here are super happy and excited. This person here is really angry about something. This person's not sure. Maybe they're not sure about what he's angry about. But he does have a cool backpack, which I quite like. This person seems to be worried about something, but it's okay because our friend here is super happy and come with big open arms to give her a cuddle. How many different expressions do you think you can draw? We've just done some pretty great drawings together. I would love to see what you've drawn. Why don't you ask your parents to take a picture and then they can send it to me on Instagram, or they can email it to me at hello@jethro.wilson.com. Thank you so much for drawing with me. Look out for more how to draw videos in the coming days. What would you like to learn to draw? Should we do cats or fish or dogs or dinosaur?